Hi, my name is Chris, Geib-Ayala. I've never done one of these recorded screencast-o-matics for just a weekly assignment, so I'm not sure exactly what I should have on the screen, but hopefully this goes over well. Okay, so I started off with a specific idea and two other potential opportunities for a project. The specific idea I came up with was to develop a database that helps people understand various types of food labels, stuff like USDA organic, certified B Corp, fair trade certified, etc. But I don't know anybody who might be the TAM for that. Some other opportunities that are available to me are through organizations that I'm involved with. I've been a member of my kids' parent-teacher organization, the PTO, at the elementary school for a few years, and they have all sorts of kind of openings for projects that could help them run better. I'm also a board member of the softball league for our town, and same there. So there's a lot of opportunities for projects that might help them run better or be better. But for both of those, I could probably ask another board member or parent to help be a TAM. I just don't have strong relationships with anybody in those groups. But since my first discussion post at the beginning of the week resulted with a couple of supportive comments about the food label project, I'm beginning more excited about trying to do that. Everything that has to do with food is a true passion of mine, as well as healthy living. I wrote my paper for English 124 about nutrition education and childhood obesity. So this is a topic that I've worked in a somewhat professional arena before. And I really believe that not enough people understand or can easily find out what different food labels mean. An article I found that supports the need for my project is from NPR. Organic pesticides are not an oxymoron. It's a little bit older of an article, but I think it's still completely relevant. This professor from the University of Minnesota says when people are buying organic food, they often make the incorrect assumption that there are no pesticides. It's true that organic production uses fewer dangerous chemicals, but certain pesticides are still allowed. There's lots of little things that have to do with the food labels that I think are commonly just not clearly understood by consumers. So some questions I have for you are, first of all, am I headed in the right direction? Second, do you think this is a good idea for a research project? Is it too simple, or maybe, in your opinion, not needed? Or I'm not really completely confident on this yet. And if you think it's a good enough idea to keep pursuing, do you have any suggestions about how to find a TAM? Because, like I said, I can't think of anybody that I know that would be a good point of contact for this type of project. So, like I said, I haven't done one of these recordings for an assignment before. I hope this is sufficient. Just let me know. Thank you.